Usain Bolt's feelings toward the new heir to the sprinting throne are absolutely shocking. The next Usain Bolt, a young American sprinter who has been setting the track world on fire, winning multiple gold medals at major championships and clocking speeds that rival Bolt's own. He's the fastest man in the world, but it seems that sprinting sensation Trayvon Bromell is hot on his tail to take that title. Bolt is reportedly blown away by the young sprinter's potential and sees him as the future of sprinting. Bolt's endorsement of Bromell has sent shockwaves through the sprinting world, but it is now up to Bromell to prove that Bolt is right and that he is the future of sprinting.